The Secret of the Wealthy. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. In this video, I will share to you the secret of the wealthy people. And the good news is, it's doable. The secret of the wealthy is in their habits. Alam mo bang pag na-develop mo yung good habits nila, you can be one of them. First, rich people plan. Pag tinanong mo ang poor person kung anong plano niya, wala siyang masasagot sa'yo at kung meron man, short-term plan lang. Magkaroon lang ng pambili ng pagkain araw-araw, okay na. Ang mayayaman, detalyado ang plano. May plano siya para sa isang araw, meron din for the next 5 to 20 years. Long-term ang thinking. Second, rich people have multiple sources of income. Ang poor person, focus sa job. Basta may trabaho, okay na. Ang problema dito, paano pag tinanggal ka sa trabaho? Sa panahon kasi ngayon, wala ng job security. Third, rich people read books. Ang poor person, habit ang manood ng TV. More on entertainment. Ang mayayaman, they focus on education. Productive sila pag spare time. Like, they read books. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, poor people have big TV, rich people have big library. And fourth, when it comes to spending habit, rich people spend on assets like business, investments, education. Poor people buy liabilities like hulugan na appliances, cellphone, kotse. To summarize what we have discussed in this video, the secret of the wealthy is in their habits. First, they plan. Second, they have multiple sources of income. Third, they read books. And fourth, they spend on assets. Financial independence is not a dream, it's a decision. If you want to learn more, you may visit the link below. Discover the financial leverage, how to achieve financial success faster than you ever thought possible. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Visit www.1millionclub.com. You may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.